We are about to usher in the Chinese New Year holiday. Please stock up in advance to ensure smooth delivery. Let's get started checking this week's recommended items. The first one is the penguin-shaped boiled egg cooker. Google Trends shows this product has stable demand, so sales aren't a concern. It got a lot of likes on TikTok quickly, indicating it has a large potential customer base. This unique creative design makes it stand out among kitchenware, which can spark consumers' interest. This special product is easy to promote and creates a point of difference from regular egg cookers, driving more traffic and sales for the store. The second one is the electric vegetable cutter set. The product's Google search trend is rising, indicating growing potential consumers. This product can greatly improve kitchen work efficiency, save users time, and meet the needs of today's fast-paced life. The product set is cost-effective, attractive to consumers, and conducive to increasing your store sales. The third one is the desktop Mini Mop. Its Google search popularity has been growing, showing high attractable and a huge market need. On TikTok, users' videos of using this item have attracted many viewers because of its novelty and practicality. This item is well positioned for small area cleaning like desktops, solving the subtle problems of daily cleaning and meeting the actual needs of many consumers. Its compact size makes it easy to store, appealing to those with limited space. Check the fourth one is the Handheld UV nail lamp. According to Google search trends, this product has always had a stable target customer base. User feedback is the best advertisement for your product and can also greatly help you reduce after-sales problems. This nail lamp cures fast, saving time and energy, fitting consumers' green product preferences. Plus, its stylish look meets personalized aesthetics, making it competitive in the market. The last one is the cordless massager ring. The steadily growing search trend indicates there are many potential customers for this product. Positive reviews indicate the product is high quality, addresses users' pain points, and boosts the repurchase rate. This item features advanced massage tech for a comfy experience and effective fatigue relief. Unlike traditional ones, it's not body part limited, boosting usage frequency, meeting diverse consumer needs and attracting orders.